Lajak sentini hopung layake sini je warrior ro grada ti problem moment je kaine tapo এই বকুখনো जों hopung thuya khlaiwi naisilaijak beba chini bukha tong thuya borasi post thik khaibani sana jora masaya sana jora thuya khlaiwi asok jane rong ja kore ke borok khalimani bagui जों borok ni bagui arrange khaimani ya daike borok bamani bagui chagli ani bagui borok post bamani bagui lei khatong thuya kha phone boroni je juice boroni je khatong mani je thanchani mari nonogoi black ke chung khatong kha
खामनै रमै जे सिटिं दे मके सि खाइजने र जन्त मनथाय अमन तैनि हास्ट्रि लुको रम ताम खक जाम बुझ जा खाइमे रम
जे हास्टेनि लुको तै चिनि खातार हास्टेओ तनाय चिनि ति प्रसाद जतो तै चिनि विदेश तनाय जतो ति प्रसार न अमन कोइने मुसुगो चिनि ग्रेटर टिप्रालैंड मूवमेंट व खाइमे फनो जे जान्जा जागा तुंतै जान्जा पोइतो सामानि मताय इसो रनो खुरुमसाय तंबाय जादि तैबो फाइनाय चालो चिनि अमाहाय जबा कतर उनाय आप्रो निरो जरा मान काहिके फाइबाय जादि तैबो जरा ताबकफोरनो बुसिया तंनाय रनो बुहायनो जों कबनायनि मुसुगो चिनि बुबाग्रानि नेतृत्वे ताबक जों ग्रेटर टिप्रालैंड चिनि टिप्रासानि बागै हियकजाक हास्ते नालायनाय होनै जबा खाइमेनि जराव निरक बुहायनो पार्टीनो तरजायावै दफानो तरजागै निरक बुहायनो फाइबाय जादि आगे जों 70 बছर जरातै ताकुबाय ताकु कथालाय
से क्यों इतना प्यार है अपने लोगों से भी ज्यादा कौन है तू कौन है बता भी दे तेरा इरादा क्यों तू अभी भी खामोश है के अपनों को पराया
मांगा जब अधिकार दिया नाम देश की गद्दार अरे गद्दार तो हम नहीं गद्दार तो तुम लोग हो झूठा वादा देकर हमारा वोट लेते हो बदले में हमारी जान लेके खेल जाते हो
ऊपर मेरा तो बीपी हाई नारा लगाता हूँ हाय हाय अब तो और नहीं सह सकता चांदी हाजिर है अब तो भाई उपरोक्त बस्तागवान सोबे बेसुआ नहीं तुम सीनाई गिरी लाचुई शानु बेसुआ ये कौन सीनाई वन सो भी बुका सीरिंग सोरब तोंगलिया Tipa amani bagi tui makriman lia
Zothei mang na salung rilin Riam rai sol vai leng naram hi Kol bok leng na ni thei piama Natak no sang phal re Lung khang lung khul re Thing khang ting cheng re sayang dengarure
Naru kenge, naru kenge Situ jati amen bilkul sorenge Kudenge, baru chandenge Kuch bhi karo nahi natenge Tadnai, pandnai, pandnai, tadnai Jiti zen sim MNN bila kasunan Jumpal ke korang tishanan Jiti zen sim MNN bila kasunan Jumpal ke korang tishanan Dia ke bono ani hano Onarunai Tripura mano Khidoi phano langmaroi bo Sungle o hani busu Sungle o hani busu O hale chini mantu Omono chini tongku Mono bata muni duno rutu Nazado sambu Mono bata muni duno rutu Uila do fani como se manchubi Ulo se rinfu no fundi Uila nilita como se mukandi Ulo se buini como wanchobi Iri ui tong te ching hui jagi tong te Tong thai chini beba tumai tang nai Obil no cheng kaso yake Di prasani mungo hari huzang nai
Zinjal kotor masih fai tonggo Orang tabuk di sana nangri tonggo Sini mungkin naik kado Tinang sini komo naik tonggo
Tonggela kini tina Nugela di prasani makha Oh zengal no jata shoyaki Menajak tini duska Kecak kekerang Pupur kosong Ulayawi Jencap sajak nang jorah syukur Sisa baik sidi Baca baik sidi Sini hamat senong Nan syukur tongka Sini hamat senong Nan syukur tongka
हमने क्या गलती किया है क्या हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा ऐसे ना कुछ कर डालो कि नाम निशा मेरा मिट जाए
Babai babai bandi jagi Hana pina maklo jagi Asik cemoy mapuno gui Biang kangkang oro hui jagi Otaku nini koshol jati Abuku nini riyab jagmuti Otaku nini koshol jati Abuku nini riyab jagmuti Naya juga rengkagan Naya juga rengkagan
Ohasakao Achaili paika Ha amani bagi Neta makaika Okoranani Hani musarok sengke Neta mahili Sanay ba Haydi jara kare Habak sa amay Kopai sa salay Dâng than sa lai na Dâng than sa lai na Sa có tươi đâu lên Sa với lại phẳng phá Cha bắt ta con ra để bỏ Na na li sa hình phạt thay đâu
Good morning to my dear friend. Our cadres, our delegate have reached early morning in Delhi. As you know, we have started from Agartala, Tripura. It was a very long journey, as you know, more than 3,000 kilometers from Agartala to Delhi. And this year we have organized joint movement with both party, IPFT and Tipramotha. And as you all know, this is the first time in Tripura, the large number nearly 2,000 participants in the movement. Our main goal is demand of Triplaland, Greater Triplaland is statehood demand. It is a long demand. Since 2009, IPFT is struggling vigorously for achievement of statehood demand. And this year, 2021, is a historical day. The large contingent, large cadres, volunteers, supporters of IPFT and MOTA came together jointly. As a result, we got more stronger and stronger. Our voice will be louder and louder. And as you know, from today, the parliament is going on. Our intention is to focus our demand, to highlight our demand, and to expose all the leaders in India. As you know, we have struggled for many years, and we have submitted many kind of memorandum to our Prime Minister, Home Minister, and all the leaders of opposition. Our demand is genuine demand, as you all know, because indigenous people of Tripura, Tripuri people of Tripura are suffering for many, many years. They are not getting their social justice, they are not getting their education, economy, political right. Therefore, it is our long demand, now become people demand. Statehood demand is not only demand by IPFT and Tripura MOTA, it become people demand. Where around 14 to 15 lakhs population in Tripura, we all want 90% above are now supporting our demand, especially our people, our indigenous people. Our main target is to achieve statehood under Article 2 and 3 of Indian Constitution. Therefore, I think this is just beginning, and hopefully today we are going to have a demonstration in Jantar Mantar, and we are invited many like-minded leaders who demand for statehood from Bundelkhand, from Vidarbha, Harid Pradesh, Bodoland, and Gorkhaland, and also we have invited all the leaders. We have one organization which we call National Federation for New State, NFNS. The president of Monish Tamangji is the president, is likely to come, and he will all participate in our movement. Therefore, we really hopeful, we are confident that our demand will be highlighted all over India. Thank you.